Hello friends, welcome to my new Java programming tutorial. Today we will discuss how to calculate area and perimeter of a square in Java. So let's move ahead to Eclipse and see how we can code a program which can calculate area and perimeter of a square in Java. So friends, in order to calculate the area and perimeter of a square, what I have done, I have just created a class by name square, and in that square I will be coding my program into the main method. Now this main method will be executed whenever I run the program. So friends, let's move ahead and see how we can code a program which can calculate the area of square and perimeter of a square. So friends, in order to calculate the area and perimeter of a square, what we need, if we look into the formula for area, then it's something like, so friends, if we look into the formula for area of square, we see that the area of square is side into side. So here side corresponds to a particular side of a square, and a square has four sides and all the sides of the square are equal. So whenever we do side into side, we get the area of square, and since the square has four sides, so if we add all the four sides, we get the perimeter, or we can say that if we do multiply it by 4, we'll get the perimeter of a square. So in this program, what I will do, I will just say prompt the user to enter the value of side, and based on that side we will calculate the area and perimeter of the square. So let's move ahead and create a scanner object. Now scanner object helps, say, to get the user inputs from the console. So in order to get the user input from the console, we'll first create a scanner object. In order to use scanner, we'll first import it. The scanner class is present in java.util package, and in the creation of scanner object, we'll pass system.in. So what this system.in does, it's an input stream which just reads something from the console. Say if user enters anything on the console and hit enter, then the system.in will help the scanner class to read from the console. So in order to say calculate the area and perimeter, we'll create say three variables. So friends, here we have created three variables of the data type int, and the name of the variables are side, area and perimeter, and we have initialized initially all the three values to 0. So now we'll prompt the user to enter the say value of side. So here we have prompted the user to enter the length of side of a square, and we'll capture the length of side, say whatever the user enters from the console, into the variable side. So we'll do something like, say what does the scanner.nextInt does, as soon as the user enters the length of side of a square, the scanner.nextInt takes that length and assign it to the side variable. So after the execution of this line, we'll get the say the length of side of a square. So after getting the length of side of a square, we'll just calculate the area. So we'll use the formula for area as, say the area would be side into side. So, and in order to calculate perimeter, we'll use the formula. So in this step we have calculated the say the value of perimeter, which is 4 into side. So when this two line will be executed, we'll come to know the value of say area and perimeter of the square. So after getting the perimeter and area of square, we'll just print it out on the console as so we'll just print the area and perimeter of the square on the console. And suppose if I run the program now, so here as soon as I run the program, it asks enter the length of side of a square. So suppose I enter 5, and as soon as I hit enter, it calculates the area of square as 25 and perimeter of square as 20. So what it actually did, say whenever it prompted the user to enter the length of side of a square, and as soon as I enter 5 and hit enter, the scanner.nextInt took the value 5 and assigned it to this side variable, and then it calculated the area as side into side, which came out to be 25, as 5 into 5 will give value 25, and after that it calculated perimeter as 4 into side. So 5 into 4 gave 20, and this 20 was assigned to perimeter, and when we printed it on the console, we got the area of square as 25 and perimeter of square is 20. So friends, this was a tutorial for calculating the area and perimeter of a square through a Java program.